Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called periodic inventory. The periodic inventory system is a method of inventory valuation for financial reporting purposes in which a physical count of the inventory is performed at a specific interval. This accounting method takes inventory at the beginning of a period, adds the new inventory purchases during the period, and deducts ending inventory to derive the cost of goods sold, that is called in short as COGS. Under periodic inventory system, a company will not know its unit inventory level nor COGS until the physical count process is complete. This system may be acceptable for a business with a low number of SKUs in a slow moving market, but for all others the perpetual inventory system is considered superior for many reasons. Like, the perpetual system continuously updates the inventory asset ledger in a company's database system, giving management an instant view of inventory. The periodic system is time consuming and can produce stale numbers that are less useful to the management. The perpetual system keeps updated COGS as movement of inventory occur. The periodic system cannot give accurate COGS figure between the counting periods. The perpetual system tracks individual inventory items so that in case they are defective items, for example, the source of the problem can quickly be identified. The periodic system would most likely not allow for prompt resolution. The perpetual system is tech-based and data can be backed up, organized and manipulated to generate informative reports. The periodic system is manual and more prone for human error, and data can be misplaced or lost. Special consideration: COGS. The cost of goods sold, commonly referred to COGS, is a fundamental income statement account, but a company using periodic inventory system will not know the amount for its accounting record until the physical inventory is completed. Thanks for watching. Bye.